Welcome to the Performance Elements Plus Workstation Assembly video. The Elements series allows many different configurations. Today's plan includes a lateral file and storage unit. Begin by laying out the work surfaces for the storage unit and inserting the metal cams into the pre-drilled inserts. Next, insert the metal pegs into the pre-installed metal inserts. Your laminate pieces can now be fitted together. Tighten all cams using a drill. The kick plate is attached last and reinforced from beneath using 2 corner brackets and the wood screws provided. The 4 feet can now be attached manually. The 2-drawer lateral file arrives pre-assembled. Align the 2 components and add your top shelf by inserting the 4 shelf pins provided. Your top surface can now be placed and secured from beneath using 2 washers and a bolt. Tighten using the Allen key provided. There are 8 bolts in total. Add your drawer handles. The next step is to slide the U-leg onto the crossbeam and the riser onto the other end of the crossbeam. Tighten using the 6 bolts provided. Place your laminate top onto the metal crossbeam and secure from beneath. The leg side will require an extended Phillips bit. We are now ready to add the acrylic privacy panel. Your assembly kit includes 4 brackets. Place the flat bracket on one side of the panel and attach the tabbed bracket to it using the 4 screws provided. Please note it is easier to attach the privacy panel if the work surface is standing upright. Attach using the wood screws provided. Remove the adhesive backing from the riser and cushion and pat firmly into place. Your assembly is now complete.